today we are going to be reading Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. And he has his teddy bear by James Dean. Now, Pete the Kitty is basically Pete the Cat, but instead it's a different series where Pete is a kitty instead of a cat. Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. He dropped his teddy bear. The sun, cloud, a sunflower, a ball, his teddy bear, and another sunflower. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? And it's dropping. I might get the hiccups too. The ball, the teddy bear, Pete sitting down, Pete the cat, Pete the kitty, and the fences, and a tree. Pete asked Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Pete is holding his teddy bear. Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Pete stands on one foot, up and down. Pete still has the hiccups. Aw, he's like, oh. And holding his teddy bear and bread, strawberry, cabbage? I don't know. But here's a bread and a tomato? I don't know. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. I'm going to call Gus Gustavo, okay, so don't worry about it. Pete asks Gustavo, "How do I stop my hiccups?" Says Gustavo. "I know," says Gus. Oh wait, how do I stop my hiccups? Says Pete. "I know," says Gustavo. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, he sings a song. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks his brother Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. He's surfing right now. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. La 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 la, rub rub rub, hop hop hop. Hiccup, hic. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Pete asks Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. "Hold your breath and blow it out," says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Do you have hiccups right now? Do. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it?" He asks. "That's it," says Pete's mom. Says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. There's a cookie jar and whatever that is. Pete the kitty has a bad case of the hiccups. He doesn't know what to do, so he asks his pal for help. Will Pete the kitty find a way to get rid of his hiccups? Yes. Just for a bonus, we're going to read another Pete the Cat book. It removes from the device, so it doesn't do it. So, on the next one, I'm just going to do a random book. And so, the next book we are going to do for the bonus is Pete the Cat Goes Camping. Have you gone camping before? Okay. Go to cover. Okay. Okay. This is beginning. Okay. Pete the cat goes camping. Written by James Dean. Oh, whose eyes is that? Bigfoot. I think. Pete the cat goes camping. By James Dean. Pete the cat is already prepared. He has his boots. He has his backpack. Have you ever gone camping? I have never. If you have, you're lucky. Pete is excited to go camping. This is his first time. You get a fishing rod and a lantern and flashlight and some dishes. Don't forget your sleeping bag, says Dad. Oh, bag. Okay, that's it. Or your hiking boots, Mom says. The campsite is deep in the woods. Mom and Dad set up the tent. Pete and Bob collect sticks so they can make a fire later. Have you ever done that before? Okay, don't worry about the notification. Okay, so you have to put rocks outside, or else they'll spread. And don't forget, don't pour it with regular water. Pour it with a bucket of water, and don't do cold water. I think. Bob and Pete is wearing his boots. Bob is also wearing his boots. It kind of looks like Pete the kitty. Pete and Bob go for a hike. Bob shows Pete the footprints of different animals. What footprint is the animal? It's a bunny! Do you think we'll see anything cool? Asked Pete. Maybe, says Bob. Pete and his dad go fishing. They must be very quiet and very still to catch a fish. Fishing takes a long time. Finally, they catch some fish. Mom builds a fire. She cooks the fish for dinner. It tastes yummy. Yum. Next, Pete roasts marshmallows. Pete makes s'mores with chocolate and graham crackers. So, even if I haven't gone camping, I've actually eaten s'mores before. It's really good. I like it without the chocolate. It kind of tastes unhealthy, actually. I really wish I could taste more. You have to cook it. I really wish I had a campfire outside of my house, like a fire grill, like you know those like circle furniture where you can put outside. You can light it up with wood, and then once the wood gets hardened, it turns into hot coal, which I think that's how coal it's made. I'm not sure though. It starts to get dark outside. Bob tells Pete a story about a scary, hairy giant. The giant lives in the woods. His name is Bigfoot. Do you think Bigfoot lives here? Asks Pete. Nobody has ever seen Bigfoot, says Bob. Don't let Bob scare you, says Dad. Bigfoot is not real, Mom says. Pete sighs with relief. But if he's real, I bet he's friendly, says Dad, and likes s'mores too. That's not scary, thinks Pete. Maybe he wants a s'more. Pete leaves one for his hairy friend. Now, Bigfoot is also kind of made up, and it actually is, anyway. That's a big s'more. I usually do them one bar because I cannot eat that. Soon it's time for bed. Lights out, boys, Dad says. See, you have to dump a bucket of water. Bob and Pete share the tent. Pete gets into his sleeping bag. It is cozy, but he cannot sleep. The woods seem extra dark, and all the sounds seem extra loud at night. Pete hears a weird whooshing. What is that? just the wind. Bob says. Pete hears an odd chirping. What is that? He asks out loud. Oh, they're just crickets. But Pete hears a strange hooting sound. What is that? He wonders. That's just an owl. Pete thinks of his friend's owl. Pete hears a loud snapping sound. What is that? He wonders. But Bob is already asleep. Pete listens carefully. Crack! Is it Bigfoot? Pete peeks outside. It's too dark to see anything. When Pete wakes up, he checks the spot where he left the s'mores for Bigfoot. The s'more is gone. Thanks for the treat. XOXO. There's a note. It says, thanks for the treat. XOXO. He shows his family. Wow, I knew Bigfoot was real, said Bob. Pete knows Bigfoot is not scary. Just because he looks different doesn't mean he's scary. He even likes s'mores too. The end. And there's Bigfoot peeking again. Like in the cover, actually. Going out. Now, I've never went fishing before. So this is the wrong one. Here we go. Here is the eyes, and I think it's Bigfoot. Now look. James Dean did this, and it's really good, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like this video for all the support and love, and don't forget about our 3,000 subscriber goal. If you've been here in this channel ever since it started, then you have been seeing all the videos and how it started out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And don't forget, we read 2 books in this video, which I've never done before. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like this video for all the support and love. And don't forget about the 3,000 subscriber goal. Turn on the bell notification to be notified every single day. Every single time a video posts. See you when the next video posts. Goodbye!